Alright guys, before you even watch the whole video, your main problem is probably going to be these two pieces right here. They're similar to each other. Now what you want to do is grab one of them and then grab that middle piece, the big middle piece, and put them on just like this. Alright, this is mostly everybody's problem. You want to put it on just like this. Alright, face the big piece down on his feet like this. Now keep watching this. If you have to rewind it, just like that right there. Alright, now that's mostly everybody's problem. If you don't have to go any further, make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe. If you still need help, just go on and watch the whole video, okay? But most of you guys' problem is that middle piece that has to connect at each end. Alright, whataboutbeds.com. If you still need help, enjoy the rest of the video.
Visited my video. I'm going to demonstrate how to make a king size frame for those who are in need of help to make one. Alright, now there's pieces that look like cones. One side of the cones are wide, one side is skinny. The wide part goes on the bottom, skinny part hooks to the frame. And then there's two pieces that are big that looks the same. You want to open those up to what looks like about a half a square. Alright, now don't forget which side is which. Is a side that looks like a plate, that's head. The other side is just a regular frame. But one side look like a head. But once you get those pieces in place, you grab the middle piece. And this one piece, and this probably the thickest one, you want to get that in the middle. And there's also two other pieces that's similar to each other, and they're probably the smallest pieces. You grab those and you want to put them on the edge of the middle part. Now they go on unique. A lot of people have trouble, so I demonstrate how to put one of those on for those who are in trouble. And I did a better way to show you. Like this. Boom, bang. There you go, too easy. Alright, now you get your pieces in place, and then you're going to put them together. Alright, now when you snap them in, it goes similar to this, but make sure that all of them are the last two. You're going to do it to all four of them. Make sure they are the last two. The last two holes. Alright, and then you have these pieces right here. These go into the end of your frame. Alright, thank you for visiting. Any questions? Just email me.